Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. I'm going to try it again. This is my third time to get this video up. Either sound went or picture went or power blackout. Ooh-wee, it's a hot day today. It dropped a little bit. It's about 103 right now. Yeah, I keep forgetting everybody wants to do the bush play. Yeah, Big Bear, Bowie machete. Now, a lot of people said, you have this, you wouldn't have any trouble. Yeah, that's what they think. Put that away. Take off the shades. Ah, okay. Later on today, we're going to do, hopefully I got enough time. I'll probably do this until midnight, but we're going to do lighting in the next video. Okay. This video is Huple's cat says I hit 300 people. Yay! I finally hit 300 people. Wave the machete. Yay! Machete time. People in London knows that. So far, what? Over 100 people, but got one of these. So anyway, Hoople Cat says I hit 300 supporters. Yay! Thank you all old supporters and young supporters and people just came aboard. Remember, this is a survivalist, prepper, gun channel, but not too much on the gun stuff because YouTube is, yabo, uh, can't do that anymore. So on the firearm stuff or history part, I'm going to just be talking, or if I'll probably get later do other things that you also use. But that has to be scripted very carefully so it follows YouTube standards. Jawohl. Because of its parent company, Google. Jawohl. And remember what I always tell you, folks, you have to watch your back. Okay. All right. And this is the blog. Who's Cap says I hit 300 supporters. Thank you, folks. Um, if you're in Pennsylvania, this is for Systematic Divide and Inspired John. You've got to save silver. Only 12 pieces, 1 ounce pieces. It's cheap right now. Market went down. Maybe go up because of the trade war. But the reason why we're doing the trade war is a lot of people don't understand. We've been sucking in all this garbage products. It's like eating junk food. If you eat a lot of junk food, you're going to get a gut and get out of shape. And if you're wondering why a lot of union people are happy about this, because people's going to realize now we're going to finally got to rely on our own selves. But lately we've been lazy ass, you know what. Okay, note in 2018, what is $100 worth in California? It's still $87.79. You're earning less in California. Times leave. People are just booking it. Millennials from 24 to 38 are affected by light flashes, red, blue, and green. See, any gaming consoles, they have that combination of, of light patterns. Red, blue, and green. Check it all out. Movements also. Certain movements cause certain effects to the brain. Generation Z, that's right after the millennials, are 13 to 23. That group's the most susceptible group right now. They're susceptible to infrasounds. We have ultrasounds, uh, subsonic, and also we have infrasounds. And then we have also dance movements. Anybody seen the Backpack Kid video? You know what I'm talking about. And also pulse beat music. Any Emery electronic music video, or the Disney Channel. They use the same effects, different strobe techniques and video. It's how they control you. There's so much to cover, little kids. I mean, kids, boys and girls. Before Doomsdays plus one. Another new brainwashing technique used by the Democrats and the liberals, socialists, the left, the bad guys, is cultural enrichment. All right, ask anybody from North Korea how they enjoy cultural enrichment. They'll probably punch you in the face. Okay, I, I, I spent too much time saying thank you to people I watch. Um, uh, Walker Outdoors, gotta check out his channel. Steve Foco, you gotta save up 2,600 against Steve. It's Tennessee. Rob Painless, Mike Hettons, Survival and Prepping, Panhandle Preparedness, Jordan Jakenberg, Inspired John, Just in Time Prepping. Follow Will on every Thursday in the morning for his live stream, and at night on Saturday, I think it starts at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock Mountain Time. Go check him out. Tell him Uncle Alan sent you over there. I do a lot of things. I'm going to try to add some more stuff. This is hot. I don't know about you, but putting that up. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to go on that. Last one I did too long and fried out the circuitry. So I have to keep the thank you for the supporters and people I watch short. I learned my lesson. Boy. Hey, can't do a nice little. Follow these people, watch their channel a bit. Oh, on Jordan Jakenberg's channel, please help him out on PayPal for a price of a nice iced tea. You can get help him out with his bicycle because he just gave up his car, and then what was it? Help him out on his channel and gets better equipment. Right now, he needs a microphone. I think he's using iPhone or iPad. If he's iPhone, you can hook up a microphone to it. iPad, no. I kind of learned that the hard way. Okay, you can tell Doomsday is coming. Uncle Alan, one of the reasons. Also, I'm going to keep this short. I'm going to mention two big reasons. Uncle Alan doesn't have a girlfriend. Don't forget about sex, all that weird ass shit. Let me put back in the hat. Okay, skip the sex part. That I don't have a girlfriend or wife yet. Remember, Uncle Alan does not have a very good luck with women. They keep dying off on me. So far, it's there, 8. So far, girlfriends. If I have a girlfriend, no Doomsday. Okay, that's flat, simple. I will explain it, but I'll go too long. Uncle Al also broke as hell after certain events. The move, move again, a medical, a few other things. Plus, I'm not working as much as I used to. I'm broke as hell. Unless he wins the lotto or YouTube change their evil ways and start paying us creators more money, we could get better equipment. So far, Uncle Alan has to use this, not the world's greatest, because Logitech, I have problems with it. It's a good camera, but its microphone's kind of hinky. Unless I win the lotto, you're all doomed. That's 2. So I have to keep this short. Last time I went a little over. Like and subscribe. Hit the like button. hit the notification button, the little bell thing, to Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. That's my YouTube handle. Diebulfrog with one L. That's urine. Bull, that's only with one L. And a frog, and 79. So hit the notification button. Welcome aboard. Let's get up to 500. Yeah, I know I got to do a giveaway. I'm still working on one, but nobody ever watches my boxing of sort boxing of sorts video. I need only like 37 people. I could give away the prizes. I already have the prizes ready for mailing, but nobody's watching, so I can't give it away. All right. Okay, boys and girls, I'll catch you later. I'm going to try to do some more videos. Yeah, it's a hot one. Bye.